online and noticed that there is no video for somebody doing a clutch on a 200 TDI Defender. A few pictures and things, but nothing about actually fitting the clutch, so I'm going to try and do a video the best I can with one hand. So first off, we're going to take all these screws out and get the plates out the floor, and also the gearbox tunnel out. So first off, I'll do that. Right, before I take the floors out, I'm just going to have a look at getting this gaiter off the gear stick and the low range diff lock stick. Get this gaiter off, then I can see what sort of nuts and bolts I need to take out to remove the centre there. So let's just unscrew by hand. Once they're off, you can just hopefully pull this this gaiter off. Like that. And now we'll start getting the mat out and see where we've got to go from under there. So it looks like the mat just pulls out from under the fuse box. It's not easy with one hand. We've got a few screws in to get the tunnel off, so I'll undo those and try and remove that and see where we go from there. That's off and out the way now. So next, I just pulled the carpet out, so I had to remove the fuse box cover to get to the car behind it. Now I'm going to undo these screws around here so I can see the top of the bell housing. Finally got the floor out. These are the bell housing bolts I needed to get to. Show them there. Had to take all these out from around here. Took a bit of a while, had to get the grinder out. There was some filler on the floor there that was sticking the floor in, and also that side of the floor has previously been pop riveted in there, so to drill them out, to grind the head of some of the bolts, some of the screws, the heads had completely gone on and rusted, so we'll get this swept out, put in new steel in that needs to be in there after doing the clutch. Now we're under the car. There's the bell housing, and the bolts are going to come out over there. But first of all, in order to be able to move it back as far as we need to go, I'm going to have to take prop shaft off there. The handbrake has got to come off, the housing and everything, and then we undo the bolts that hold the gearbox there and under there. Take the front prop shaft off, which is over there, undo the bell housing, remove a couple other things like the slave cylinder for the clutch, and then pull the box back. So I'll get the spanners I need and then start undoing everything. So for these, you use a 14mm for an extension board. You can use, there is a thing you can buy for taking this off, prop shaft removable socket. Just get to it with this. Okay, so back to my clutch replacement on the 200 TDI. I've removed the handbrake drum and also remove both front and rear prop shafts just with socket from both ends, so remove them. Now I'm looking at removing the high-low gear stick and diff lock. I'm looking at moving that out of the way, so then I'll be able to move the gearbox backwards once I've released all the nuts and bolts from the
Okay, so I've removed the 4 bolts. And I have removed the high and low adjuster here. That's the thing that changes high and low gears, and it's on there like that. Undo that, pull it off that way. Before you can do that, this is on there. You've got 2 clips, undo them, push the pins out, that comes off. Now that's out the way. So see inside there. But now I'll clean all that dirt away, and we should be able to pull the gearbox back far enough to get to the clutch.